Hello everyone, got a product here today. It's a Power Gear Comfort Zone heater, and I'll try to get it focused in here so you can see it okay. But it's a Power Gear Comfort Zone, and this is a model number CZQTV5M. And I'll put a link down below where you can purchase these from. And these here can be mounted on the ceiling or on your walls. And it's a 90-degree adjustable heater. And they have a halogen light on them. And I'll show you here. I got it hung up. The light is right here. And you have the two heating bulbs, and you can adjust the angle on this to whatever angle you want. It's a 90-degree angle that you can do it. You can even mount these on the ceiling and have it shining right down on you. But this works really good right above my door. And I plan on getting another one or two, and I think they will heat my garage okay. Because the one does okay, but I think I need at least probably one more or two to make it work right. These are ran off of 120 volts, so they just plug into your regular outlet. They have a pull string. This is the only part I really don't like on them, because I think the string's going to break over time. But there's the light on. And you can have it where you only have one of the heating elements burning. And you can have it without the light going on either setting, on the 750 or 1500 watt. But it seems to be a really good heater. I've had it up for about a week now, and it's been doing a good job, but it just gets too cold here for one of them to heat my building. But overall, they're not a bad little heater. And I'll show you here how they mount on the wall. They have a screw in the middle, right here. And you have one on each side to kind of balance it out. The bracket is a little flimsy, but it holds it okay actually. I just wish it was made a little stronger, but for what it is, and I only gave $50 for it, it's not bad at all. So I wanted to share that with you. And I'll put, like I said, I'll put a link down below where you can purchase these from. And give them a look, see what you think. Purchase one if you need it. And they're supposed to be energy efficient also, so that's another plus. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get a notification of my next videos, and have a great day everybody. Bye.